the dust, all this so that we also have like
nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.
So before I show the final room tour, here's a little behind the scenes or the process of it. Okay, so I'm on my way to get this light, the LED light. I've been thinking to get it for a while now. Even when we went shopping with mom, I asked mom to get it and she was like, okay, sure. But I just didn't know the measurements of the room. And then now we got like a new thing. I don't want to say it yet. We got like a new thing on it. So now I don't want the whole LED lights around the room. I just want it on the new thing that came in. So I'm on my way to get it. I think I'm not really sure the price because I was supposed to also get this plant thing. I really need to stop saying thing now. The plant accessory for the room. I didn't get it yet, so I also want to get that. But for today, I'll just show what's there in the room. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so no one is home right now, so that's why it's a bit empty. But I realized that I also did a small room tour on my mom and dad's room, and it's changed and it looks really, really nice. So I think I'm gonna do my room and my mom and dad's room as well. So for today, I got these pictures as well to put up in the wall. We have a printer, but we haven't gotten the cartridge for it for a long time. So the printer is just up there. So I got these pictures to put on the wall, and then I got the LED lights. So let us go and put them in. Okay, so I haven't been home alone in a while, so I'm gonna jump on the chair for a bit.
Take your ticket, Mr. Manu. Push you up there, fine, who don't know. Think blame me, girl, you want it down low. Let's get you locked up like a photo, and ain't that no. Mr. Honey, I can show you off, good loving. So you see there's no flash, and thank you, mama, thank God for me, mommy. So make me happy, oh, we mommy. Our love, sweet past honey. Oh, baby, our love that drive me crazy. Don't think about it too much. Just go be my baby, mommy. Oh baby, our love that drive me crazy. Don't think about it too much. You can be my baby, mommy. Oh, this feeling you're giving me, butterfly, you know.
Okay, so my room is finally ready. Not fully. We have to still buy some decorations. The ones that I showed in the mall, the green light leaves. But apart from that, apart from that, It's ready.
Out of all the girls, baby, in the world, surely you're the only one.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam. That's a jam.
Okay, so it's not it's not so big and so why am I wearing glasses? It is not that big or humongous, but me and my family we always talk about this TV. It's when you come in, you see the bedroom, and then the TV is here. We always talk about this because we have two smart TVs in our room. I mean, in our house. That's crazy because we used to live in like a studio with me, my dad, and my mom before my brother came in. So having two smart TVs, it's a big deal. And then we have these flowers here that I really love. I love these colors. They're actually one of my favorite colors. Blue, like baby blue and lavender. And then mom got this ones. It's almost finished because it's been there for a month. It just makes the room kind of smell nice. This mom got it. I do not know what it is. It makes it smell nice as well. We haven't light it up yet, but it's nice. You know, it makes the place look nice. And then my picture wall. It's one of my favorite things in my room. I'm not friends with a lot of people in these pictures, but it's a memory lane and I love it. It has a lot of people that have a lot of memories with. And then here it's like a small, how do I say, memorabilia, I guess, because I was in the organizing team for Matilda, and then I was a host in TEDx. And then my friend gifted me for Valentine's, and this is my friend's birthday, and then my brother's birthday, and oh yeah, this is so sweet. My friend, her name is Emmy. She always gifts me something for my birthday, so this was one of them. This is one of my favorite characters in my cartoon show. It's called Miraculous Ladybug. Yeah, so she drew it, and then she's like a song for the birthday girl because the character plays the instrument. And then this is my brother's bed. He does not sleep in it at all. This is supposed to be my bed, but he does not sleep in it. So when he comes to sleep, because he sleeps earlier than me, he sleeps around 9 o'clock. When he comes to sleep, he sleeps on he sleeps on that side and I sleep on this side. Mainly because he falls over and he literally sleeps like a whole plane. I don't even know. He sleeps here on this side and then he rolls over. And then in the middle of the night, he will be on my face screaming and shouting because he sleep stalks as well. So in the middle of the night, he's shouting about his events in class and talking about how the teacher did not give him a chance to talk. But yeah. And then there's a plant there, which I really like. It makes the place kind of be more cozy and roomy. A long room tour because it's not a lot of things. But funny thing, when I went to buy the LED lights, like I said, I cut it off. So I cut it off because I thought in YouTube it said that you can cut it off and then put the other parts. That did not work. So we wasted half of it and then the other half is there and I need to like put it properly. So we just have like a half because it's supposed to be the whole entire TV, but since I cut it off, only that half works. And yeah, that's it. And then in my bed we have lots of cuddly stuff. Some of them were gifted to me, some of them we won them in the arcade. And my brother, this has been with me since I was like 12 years old. And then when my brother came along, he removed the eye. So now my favorite teddy doesn't have an eye, and yeah, that's it. Most of them are mine, and then most of them are his as well. We don't sleep with them throughout the entire night. It's only until we like fall asleep, and then in the morning they're like down there or they're across the room. But yeah, that's it. Carl, he wanted to be in the video. Carl, come. Okay, it's not only my room, I guess. It's also his room. Yeah?
Yes, it is.
You wanna show them? Which one is yours?
This one is mine,
Mm-hmm.
and
But do you sleep in it?
yeah, sometimes I sleep in it.
Tell them the truth. You always sleep on me. You always come on top of my head.
Size. Okay, size. I always come to Tana's bed.
Yeah. And then do you show them your skeleton?
This is skeleton. This is Spidey, and this is Bob, and this is Banani, and this is for nothing. I don't know what's this.
Yeah,
That's
these ones are mine and these ones are his. So we just mix them up together because he sleeps on my bed, like I said, and then he goes to his bed.
And this is Teddy.
Yeah, it's mine, not his.
Yeah.
But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. And catch you later for the next one.
Banani.